Stop. Are you seriously still paying for 4 or 5 different AI subscriptions every single month? You're literally throwing away nearly $100 on tools that should be working together. I found a way to get every top tier model in one place for a fraction of the cost. Let's dive in. This is Chatbotapp AI, and it's a universal platform that gives you instant access to over 30 of the world's leading top AI models. Instead of juggling tabs, you have ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, Perplexity, and Grok all under one roof. The ease of this is crazy because you've got everything in place and you're saving time and money on the subscriptions. Now, this is basically the ultimate AI dashboard, and it's only a $1 entry point, so massive savings on that first month. It's also a $1 entry point for the ultimate AI dashboard. You can start using these premium models right now with a $1 trial, while subscribing to the individual pro plans like ChatGPT Plus and Cloud Pro would cost you roughly $90 per month, but the Chatbotapp AI Pro is only $20 per month. So here we can see on the subscriptions page, you can get free OpenAI ChatGPT's 5 Mini, which is $0, but if you use our link, you actually get in on the Pro version for $1 on a trial. But even if you pay the $20, you're still saving massive amounts here because having access to all of these subscriptions, whether it's OpenAI, Cloud, Google, Grok, DeepSeek, that could cost you hundreds of dollars per month. And to just get started for $1, I think is a great opportunity. Here we can see on the dashboard, we can scroll through all of the models with ease. We've got GPT-4o here and many more to choose from. Let's use 4o and give it a prompt. Here we've said create a complete marketing strategy for a startup selling AI-powered fitness coaching services. All we do is press go and it gets to work just like any of your other AIs. The benefit here is you've got access to all of these models for a cheaper price. And right away, we can see it's already coming up with an entire marketing plan for us and our business. Now, one thing I like here about the switching models is we can actually select the bottom of this message, change the model. Let's say we want to use Cloud here, and it's going to give that exact same prompt to Cloud instead. This is really good because we've got everything in the same chat window, but we can compare different results with ease. Even though there isn't a mobile app yet, the platform is fully optimized for mobile web browsers. So what you can do is actually sign in via your browser on your phone, and you can save that homepage as a shortcut on your phone homepage, and it will work just like an app would anyway. Your chats actually sync across all devices, so you can start a project on your laptop and finish it on your phone during your commute. It's basically a ready when you are system, regardless of your device. Don't let your subscription fatigue drain your bank account in 2026. Click the link in my bio right now to start your $1 trial and get every AI model you'll ever need in one dashboard. That's going to be it from me. I will see you guys in the next video.